Welcome to the Library Tutorial Series, How to Pick Up Library Items from the Smart Lockers. When you need to borrow an item from the library but you cannot make it during regular library hours, or even if you simply prefer not to have to interact with someone, we offer smart lockers for many of our items, including books, DVDs, printouts, etc. Please keep in mind that some requested items like laptops, hotspots, cameras, and other equipment must be picked up from the circulation desk during regular library hours of 8 to 4. When you are picking up a requested item from the smart lockers, you will receive an email letting you know when your item is available, including a PIN and a QR code. The smart lockers are located to the right of the main library entrance on the outside of the building. There is a shade covering the screen menu. Lift the shade up. Magnets will help hold the shade out of your way while you access the screen. You will select E Ki'imai on the screen. You will need to either enter the PIN or scan the QR code. The QR scanner is located near the lower right corner of the screen and is clearly labeled. The appropriate locker will pop open for you to retrieve your items. Please close the locker after removing your items and lower the shade over the screen. Mahalo.